Hello, fellow YouTubers. So this is kind of a part 2 video to my first one. In the first one, I don't know if you've seen it or not, but I bought a used desk. It had drawers in it, and they didn't have the keys for it. So I actually successfully picked the lock with just using basic hand tools. So I thought I would carry this over for a second video, and now I'm doing it on my filing cabinet. I do have the keys for this, so I'm going to unlock it. Show you guys it's unlocked. I'm going to lock it. It is locked. Take the key out. Now, just using 3 basic hand tools. I got a very small screwdriver. I've got a steel punch, and then I got a little bit larger multi-tool flathead screwdriver. We're going to start with this, the steel punch. Set this in there, and there's just little tumblers. You have to kind of work your way. You start with the first one, then you move to the next, then to the next. You lift them up. You might hear them clicking a little bit. You might have to play with them. Then you stick in the small screwdriver, the little flathead, and twist at the same time. That should open it up eventually. Sometimes you might have to keep trying. Sometimes it goes quicker. Sometimes it takes a minute or two. Like I said, don't give up, because it will eventually come. There we go. Got it. And the filing cabinet opens. If I go back the other way, it should lock it. There we go. And there you have it. If you lose your keys, you guys can use this trick. And it took me 2 or 3 minutes for sure. And like I said, sometimes it goes quick. Sometimes it takes a few minutes. Anyways, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to it for more, and we will keep in touch. Thanks, YouTube. Bye now.